Hi there. In this video, we are going to talk about the script execution order within Postman. So as you know that Postman provide you the sandbox in which you can write the JavaScript code. All right, and there are two places where you can write JavaScript code. One is your pre-request section, the other is your test section. Okay, so in the first example, we are going to see that when you write the scripts within these pre-request and test section, what is the order, right? And then we'll start writing these scripts into folder and at the collection level. Okay, so for a single request, the order is this. So whatever you write within the pre-request section is executed first, then you send the request, you get the response, and then whatever is written inside those test script section, that is getting executed. What is the order for request within a collection? So anything being written in the collection pre-request section is executed, followed by folder pre-request scripts, and then the scripts at the request level. All right, and once then you send the request, you get the response, and then the test written within the collection executed first, followed by folder and then response. Okay, so this is what we are going to see. So we are going to write some console.log statements at collection, folder, and request level in both pre-request and test sections, and then we'll check the order. So this will be the output that you will see. So pre-request scripts, then request response, and then the test. Okay, so let's quickly see that in action in Postman. So this is my collection that I'm going to work on. It has a folder, right, and inside that we have this request. Okay, so first we are going to say console.log, and then we are going to say request pre-request section script. Okay, let me just copy this and do the same for this as well, and this time it is going to be test scripts. Okay, let me save that. My console is already open. Click on the send button, and then you see first pre-request scripts are executed, then you send the request, get the response back, and then your test scripts are executed. Okay, simple enough. Now let's take it up to the next level. Let's write something in the pre-request scripts at the folder level, and this is going to be folder, and here we are going to say folder and test. Okay, update that, send the request again, and now you see first scripts at the folder level are executed, be it the pre-request or the test script. Okay, fair enough. Next, take it to the next level, which is to take these scripts to the collection level. And how can we do so? We come here and we say collection, and then in the test we say collection, and then okay, update that and send the request. Now you see the response, things at the collection are executed, then at the folder, and then the request, right? And same order is followed for the test as well. Okay, so now once we have this understanding, right, we can use it according to our requirement. So whatever massaging that is required for all the requests within the collection, right, we do that at the collection prerequisite level. Okay, so whatever massaging is required for all the scripts with all the requests within a specific folder, we do the massaging at the folder level. All right, anything specific is required for a particular request, we do that at the request level. And tests that are common to all the requests within the collection, right here tests common to all the requests within a folder, we can lift those up to this folder level, and tests specific to a request are executed at the request test script level. Okay, So this is about script execution in Postman. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.